No.
Did you?
Yes.
Okay, this is also nobody's coming today.
Yeah.
On the 12th of September 2023. We have Ilomäentie, Ilomäkivägen 7, staircase D.
5.
Oh, it's 5. I'm sorry, I always mix them up.
Yeah.
So it's building 5, staircase D, and only the staircase C left to be filmed here soon. It was built in 1976 as well. Turned 45 years old in 2021. Will be expected in 2024 in the next year. And the capacity is 4 persons, so 25 grams. The number is VS 4457. I love the smell in here. The smell is amazing. It's here in Laajasalo, Helsinki, modernized Finland, where they are building the light rail line to Yliskylä right now. And the light rail line construction works is going on now fully.
Yeah.
Also the crown bridges, of course. The longest bridge in Finland is under construction.
Yeah. Istuttiin paikki meitä nyt pakkoon.
I love the sounds in here.
Same.
And I also like those cream colored walls between the wooden doors. That was quite nice too.
Yeah.
And yeah, so after this staircase C here, it's only 6 elevators left in Laajasalo to be filmed as soon as possible.
That's